Welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole Young, and this video I'm going to be talking about 5 reasons why you need to learn how to code this year. Whew. Okay, let's get started. So my first reason why you need to learn how to code this year is because the tech industry is booming, y'all. Like, I know that doesn't come as a surprise to most people, but just think about how much the tech industry has advanced over the last 10 to 5 years. I mean, I carry my phone around with me everywhere I go. We have smart cars now, we have smart homes, there are robots in the grocery store down the street from me. So there's definitely a ton of expansion happening, and that's only going to continue to happen as more advances in artificial intelligence and automation continue to happen. So that means that for people like you and me, that there's going to be a ton of opportunity to get involved, to get our foot in the door, to invest, whatever it is that we want to do. There's tons of opportunity to do that, and it's only going to continue to grow. And with all of that growth and expansion, that brings me to point number 2, which is that there are a ton of jobs available in tech, and there are hundreds and thousands of them going unfilled every year. I was reading an article about a couple of weeks ago, and it said that the job growth projections of the tech industry were said to increase by 120% by 2026. One problem that the tech industry faces, though, is that there is an extreme talent shortage in the tech industry right now. I think that for 2020, they expect there to be 1 million unfilled tech positions, which means that there is plenty of room for you. If you thought that the tech industry was too saturated and that you wouldn't be able to get in and that it's too popular right now, it is extremely popular, but they don't have enough people to fill those positions. And something that I think about as a Black woman in the tech industry is that with so many unfilled tech positions, that is a huge opportunity for people who look like me, for people of color, to start taking advantage of how much open opportunity there is. They need us. They might not realize it, but the tech industry needs more diversity and needs more people to come in that don't look like the typical, techie, okay? And point number 3, you guessed it, you don't have to have some fancy 4-year degree to be able to get your foot in the door in the tech industry anymore. Thanks to the internet, there are a ton of free and very inexpensive ways that you can start learning how to code today. And because development skills are in such high demand, companies aren't being so exclusive anymore about only having people with fancy degrees. You can get online certifications, you can go to a coding boot camp, or you can be self-taught and still be able to get a job in the tech industry these days. So that is great news for someone like me, because I am not going back to school. Point number 4. So this is one that not a lot of people are talking about right now, but it's actually a huge reason why I'm so excited to start getting into development. Learning to code can increase your earning potential in the current industry that you are in. I think that a lot of people think that learning to code means that they have to have a complete career shift into something else, and they have to work in the tech industry, but that's not necessarily the case. I think that if you pair your ability to code with the experience and knowledge that you have in the industry that you're working in, that you would be able to have a huge impact. Because think about it, if you are someone that has experience and understands the problems and the challenges that your industry faces, you would be able to better know how to meet the needs of that industry with code than someone who is coming in from the outside. Learning to code does not mean that you have to work in the tech industry. There are a ton of high-paying industries that have an excessive need for tech talent to grow and expand the way that they have been. So if you're already in one of those industries, it's actually probably going to make you more competitive to pair programming skills with the experience that you already have in that industry. So definitely think about learning to code to enhance and make you a more effective person in the industry that you're already in. Okay, point number 5. There is more freedom. There is so much more opportunity in the tech industry to get a job that will allow you to work remotely or work from home. Now, I'm not saying that every programming job can be done with a laptop and a basic connection to Wi-Fi, but there are a lot of companies expanding their policies to allow you to do just that. And that means more freedom over your time and your schedule. And since you'd probably be making more money, the possibilities are endless. Or if the 9-to-5 thing isn't for you, you can use your development skills to build things freelance, and then that means you make the rules. So I know I said I only had 5 reasons for you guys, but I kind of have one more. I believe that everyone has special, unique gifts and talents, things that make them the person that they are. When you pair the ability to program with the unique person that you are, with all of your experience and your talents and your gifts, I mean, the possibilities are endless for what you could create. Think about the problems or challenges that you or someone like you or people in your community face, or maybe even cool ideas that you've had. Now imagine being able to build the solution to those things. I mean, that is powerful. And in the little bit of time that I've been learning how to code, I've been able to taste just a little bit of that power, and there is nothing like it. Being able to imagine something and then bringing it to life through coding is a feeling that never gets old for me. So I definitely think that you should make this year your year to start learning how to code. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my first video. I really had a blast making it for you guys. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up. And if you're interested in coding, or you're a newbie coder, or maybe you're just interested in tech or my experiences as a Black woman in tech, hit the subscribe button. I'll be sharing all of my experiences and stories and resources that I'm using as I learn to code and as I navigate the tech industry. So subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. And if you are a newbie coder, let me know who you are down in the description and maybe what you're learning right now. I am super interested to get to know more newbie coders and beginner coders because it can be really tough. And I think it would be great to create a space where we can support each other and keep each other going. So that is all I have. I love you guys. And when you pair, stop, Robin. Do you want to check it? Go check it. It's just a bike. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Out the window, please. Okay,